Hi everyone, it's Kelly Klapstein from Kelly Creates. Here are my two Learn Brush Lettering workbooks. This one is for small brush tip pens and this one is for large brush tip pens. The Kelly Creates black brush pen set has fine, medium, and large pens that you can use in both workbooks. Each workbook has worksheets of basic strokes and drills, lowercase and uppercase letters, and 3 pieces of tracing paper on top of every worksheet. With the brush pen, you hold it high on the barrel and you push down for a thick stroke and up for a thin stroke. This is the case with all the brush pens. The multicolor small brush pen set comes in the 9 colors plus black and can be used in this workbook also. Another fun set of pens in my line are the metallic jewel brush pens. They come in 8 beautiful colors and they write on black and white paper. The hand lettering tool that is an essential is the Deluxe Lettering Kit. It comes with a ruler, pencil, eraser, 2 fine liners, 3 black brush pens that you saw earlier, and 3 large tip dream pens. I hope you can pick up some of these hand lettering tools and get started on your calligraphy journey. Breathe, write, and relax.